Hey guys, welcome to Log News. Today I'll be showing you how to make the Google Chrome your default browser on your computer. And now let's dive right in. And now to make your Google Chrome the default browser on your computer, first go to the settings of your computer. To do that, you can see the Windows icon over here at the bottom left corner of the screen. Just click on it first, and you will be able to spot the gear icon or the settings over here just above the power. You can see it. Click on the settings, and over here guys, you can spot the apps option available or the app tile available for us just below the system. Click on apps, and over here guys, on the left panel you can see there is the option available for default apps just below the apps and features, which is the second one. Click on that default apps like this, and over here guys, scroll down and you can see the web browser category over here. And now to choose your Google Chrome as the default web browser, simply click over the Microsoft Edge or whichever the default browser is currently over there. And you can see guys, you can choose an app from over here. So in order to choose your default web browser as Google Chrome, click on Google Chrome, and you can see there it says the switch anyway. Click on switch anyway button, and there guys, now currently the default app on your computer for a web browser is Google Chrome. And there guys, this is how you change your default browser to Google. And there guys, this is how you change the Google. And there guys, this is how you make your Google Chrome the Google. And there guys, this is how you make your Google Chrome the default browser on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.